Gluten-free and vegan, yes, but wait, also corn-free, egg-free, soy-free, nut-free, oil-free and zero refined sugar. This apple cinnamon coffee cake is one bowl, naturally sweetened and so moist and flavorful. Even though this apple cake is gluten-free and vegan, it's surprisingly light and moist. But that's not all. It's also incredibly easy to make. You really can't go wrong. First, we mix the applesauce, date syrup, water, and coconut sugar together in a bowl for a quick stir. The applesauce and date syrup are completely natural with no added refined sugar. All the ingredients you will find in the info box below. Then we add the dry ingredients. These are mainly gluten-free oat flour, but important. The finer it's ground, the better the cake turns out. Then some tapioca starch for binding, just a little whole grain rice flour, baking soda as a leavening agent, and of course a good amount of cinnamon. We simply mix everything with a spoon until the ingredients are combined. Gluten-free butters shouldn't be stirred too long or they'll get tough. For that light texture, it's really important to stop mixing as soon as everything looks mostly blended. That's why I prefer to do this by hand without a mixer. The batter consistency is pretty thin. That's completely normal. Then we peel and chop 2 or 3 apples into small cubes. If you like this recipe, please give it a like or some hype, or just drop a heart in the comments. It shows me you enjoy my videos and it helps YouTube show my recipes to more people who love gluten-free, vegan options that are also corn-free, soy-free, egg-free and refined sugar-free. I'd really appreciate that. Now we just need to fold in the apples and bake. I always use parchment paper. For round pans, I have a little trick to make it easier with less hassle. Maybe you already know it. Let me know in the comments. I crumble the paper tightly first, then flatten it out and press it into the pan. That way, it fits the shape much better. The butter pulls right in so easily. I bake it in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. The exact time depends on your oven. Just do the toothpick test to check if it's done. Poke a wooden skewer into the thickest part and pull it out. If it comes out dry, the cake is ready. Carefully turn the cake upside down onto a wire rack so it can cool. Now gently pull the parchment paper down too. Always loosen it first from the edge, very slowly and with lots of fingertip feeling, so the cake doesn't tear. Make sure to let the cake cool completely before transferring it to a cake plate. The warm cake is very fragile. Let it sit for a day. That's when it gets really moist. If you like, dust it with homemade coconut powdered sugar. Stored cool and airtight, it stays fresh for several days. Wow, this texture is incredible. So light and moist. Even though this apple cake has no gluten, no fat and no cornstarch at all. In most gluten-free recipes, cornstarch is what gives the airy lightness, but skipping it makes it really tricky to get this perfect texture. I'm so happy to share this recipe with you. Check out another video right here. Click if you want more corn-free, soy-free, egg-free and gluten-free recipes. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!